I'm here with Nick with Laconia Woodworks, and he's telling me about his custom cabinetry. Where do you do custom cabinetry at?
We do custom cabinetry for residential, office, and commercial applications.
And it sounds like you also work with a lot of contractors and designers for special builds?
Yes, yeah, most of my projects have been with general contractors and interior designers.
Okay, so interior designers, contractors out there, listen up, get some custom cabinetry for your client. What are you working on right now behind us?
Right now we've got a series of built-in bookshelves and cabinets that we're making for a customer over in Montgomery. We've done unique furniture pieces out of very exotic woods. We just actually got done doing a 3-piece set out of zebra wood, which is the most expensive wood that I've ever worked with.
And who's this?
This is Achilles. He's the shop dog. He makes sure that everyone stays in line and no one slacks off while they're working.
And you wanted to go into custom cabinetry.
Yeah. Yes.
And wood making.
Yeah, and working for my dad, I got a very wide breadth. Basically got to experiment with every part of the construction industry. We incorporated into 2022. I have a wife and a young son that's just turned 1 year old. And he's a trip. We're gonna get him working here as soon as he can, but he's not quite at that point yet. My wife does a lot of the accounting.
What techniques do you use in your woodwork?
It's a remade aircraft spotter card, but we did it with basically we blew it up, put it on a wood template, and had it cut out with a CNC machine.
So your wife tells me you're creative in cabinetry. Give me an example.
One example, we had a customer that wanted a cabinet that would hold his 6,000 piece Lego Star Destroyer. So it had to be especially wide. It was a really big Star Destroyer. So we made that up, ended up stenciling an Empire logo on the top of it and putting color changing backlights on the inside. So yeah, it's one of those things we can just make anything, really anything that somebody is looking for.
Someone gives you an idea and you find a way to make it happen.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, that seems to be my bread and butter these days.
And tell me, what about the diffuser?
The acoustic diffuser was actually designed by an acoustician for a recording artist that actually does work for Taylor Swift, but I was able to design it on SketchUp, all the angles and everything for it, and it turned out really well.
Do you do kitchens?
We do kitchens, yeah. We'll do custom cabinetry, we can do custom hardware in kitchens as well. We can also do refinishing and refacing for kitchens. So if you like the layout of your kitchen, we can basically just we can change the entire aesthetic of it and make it look like an entirely new kitchen.
So here's Nick at Laconia Woodworks. Again, custom cabinetry, anything that you can think of, he can probably design for you. Who are you looking to work with?
We're looking to work with primarily interior designers and general contractors, but we do work directly with customers as well.
All right, thank you, Nick. Put them on your
Thanks,
list.
Sarah.